So I am here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and this here is the Quality Inn that I am staying at. So let's head inside and check out this hotel. So I am in room 459. We have magnetic stripe cards. And when you open the door, this is what you see. So we've actually got this sensor up here. This is actually really interesting. I'm not really sure why there is a magnetic sensor on the door. Got standard security. You have your lock and deadbolt. There's a map. Hospitality Inn. Very interesting. So over here we have the TV on the wall, a nice hole in the wall, power there, there's a floor lamp, and another lamp that doesn't work, and it is plugged in, so here is a table. And the remote for the TV, a chair, and a couch. And I'm pretty sure this couch, yep, we got a pull-out mattress there. Here we've got the phone, and another light that doesn't work. All right, so we'll get some light on here. Just a pad of paper and a pen. Over here you've got your microwave and fridge. So I guess we'll put this light here. There's the fridge. Got a trash can down there. Of course, the coffee maker with your choice coffee. Basic microwave. Ice bucket, and some cabinet space to put stuff. So kind of a little area if you wanted to prepare some basic food, which is kind of nice. So before we move on, one other thing in this room is this Vari-Speed controller, which, okay. I don't even think this is the right knob. I think it's just some random knob they found. Yeah, this is totally not even the correct knob. It just sits there. But if we kick this on here, you can see it turns on the fan. So all the way around here is the low speed. Up it goes, and if we crank it up to the high speed, you can see that it speeds up. So we do have a fan in here in case whoever's sleeping in this room wants a little bit of airflow, which is kind of nice. That is hilarious though. Just random knob. Doesn't even really work on there. And we've got like the hallway here. On the right is the closet area. So an ironing board and an iron. So we've even got an extra blanket if you get cold. Some hangers, place to put your stuff. Very nice. Here we have the bathroom. Very bright, has a light around the entire mirror plus the light of the actual bathroom. Typical Q shower. Soaps. This one's actually kind of... Why is this like... Ew. You get two of the soap bars as usual. There's the sink. Pretty high pressure actually. The hair dryer. And then you have a little night light if you want it. Over here is the toilet. It looks like it's kind of like scratched up. Actually, they gave me 3 of the soaps, so there's a third one for the shower. And it looks like you've got one of kind of your variable, you can kind of change the head to whatever mode you want. I'm also totally just unscrewing the shower head, so that's wonderful. Let's go ahead and tighten that back up. Let's see if it works. Yep, the shower works. And it's a pretty decent shower head actually. It's not like insane pressure, but it's good enough. Definitely seen a lot worse. So that's pretty good. So far this is kind of exactly what I would expect from a quality inn. Everything's just okay. And then in here we have the bedroom. This is actually a room, so you've got a door here, so you can close that if you want. The door does not actually latch, so yay. It doesn't lock either, so there's really no point in it actually latching, but it doesn't latch. Over here's another phone. You've got power, so a USB, which I would just never plug my phone into just a random USB outlet in a hotel like this, but you know, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. Over here we've got another TV, an alarm clock, which I'll probably unplug so it's not blinking all night. There's the remote, some drawers to put your stuff. Fun stain right there. Got another little area here, actually another light and a mirror, so place to kind of get ready. And we actually got this roll out like chair thing, cushion, whatever, if you want to sit on that. So that's kind of nice. I won't use that for anything, but it's there. And you got some stains on the wall there. The constant fan that I guess turned off on its own. Here is the view. Can't really see a whole lot. Can you see downtown from here? I don't think we can. That's it over there. I don't know. That might be it right over there. That might be downtown. I can't even really tell with the glare. I have to turn all the lights off and see. If you want to $100 fine, you can open the window. And my favorite thing is they actually have a latch. I think they bolted it down, but that is kind of hilarious. It's kind of a random angry sign. On this side, you've got the same setup. You've got a light, USB power, same thing down here. Spot to put stuff. So, the next thing is the bed. Let's see how this bed does in terms of cleanliness. Most choice hotels I've stayed in, at least quality inns, the beds have been clean. So we'll see if that kind of holds up here. So far we're looking good. Let's move some of these pillows out of here. And now we'll take the top cover off, or the top sheet. So far we're looking good. Nice and clean. If there's anything hiding down there, it doesn't look like it. It looks good to me. And oh, I don't know if I want to take this whole thing. I guess we've committed this far. Let's see. The mattress looks clean. It looks pretty good, actually. It's hard to do this with one hand too. Let's get the light on, just to get some better light on this here. Yeah, it looks good. Looks very clean. So as usual, the hotel is just very okay. Just like most quality inns, just okay. But the bed's clean and hopefully comfortable. I'll be doing the comfort test here in just a second. Guess I'll go ahead and lay on it. Yeah, it's comfy. Can't fully lay on it, so actually I'm gonna take my shoes off and we'll give you a proper comfort test. Ah, there we go, that's better. This is definitely comfortable. My feet are just barely hanging off the end, which is kind of normal for me. I guess I could scoot back a tiny bit. It'll be good enough for tonight, though. For what I paid, which wasn't a ton, I forget exactly what it was, but it was definitely reasonable, and I'm quite happy with what I got here. Of course, this is no, really high-end hotel or anything, but I'm just kind of used to my quality inns. Just very okay, clean beds for the most part.
So one more follow-up thing for this hotel. It's actually the last day. I'm about ready to check out. But I noticed in here, the light switch on the side of the wall, which turns on this lamp and that light. And my guess is this will probably work now too. Yep. So the key to this room is this light switch over here. Yeah, at least the lights work. It would have been nice to know this, 2 days ago when I checked in, but whatever. All right, that is it this time.